have Major Mohammad Ali Shah joining me on the broadcast. Sir, now another story coming in from China. In fact, now what we're learning is that India has taken a swipe at China at the UNSC, a discreet one at that, saying that any assistance that India is giving to other countries does not ensure indebtedness. Now, we all know that the debt trap, in fact, is something that China has been levying on several countries. Now, what are your thoughts on this statement made by India, where it's saying that assistance to other countries does not create indebtedness to us?
See, India is a very, very peaceful nation, and I think the whole world, the international community knows of this. And India would never want to actually escalate any matters, unlike China, which says something and does something else on ground. So India at the UNSC, when it has already said that, it has tried to foster global solidarity across the world with its development partners, which you rightly said just now, it only means that, we give a loud and clear message to the entire international community. And in fact, the Minister of State for External Affairs, Dr. Rajkumar Rajan Singh, he was also very, very clear when he put forward his view, whether it was India's neighbors or under India's neighborhood first policy, or with the African partners, or with the other developing countries. Now, India has remained and will always continue to be a source of strong support to help them build better and stronger. Even Afghanistan, for that matter, we all know that how we, in our heart of hearts, we totally oppose the Afghan government. We oppose the Taliban over there. But yet, for humanity's sake, we don't really pull back when we have to help any individual, for that matter. We proved it when we got the Air India flight, the rescue flight from Afghanistan also. We not only flew in the Indian nationals, but Afghan nationals as well. So similarly, whenever India gets a chance to actually help someone, we are always over there to help everyone, for that matter.
Right, sir. And of course, India then taking a jibe at China at the UNSC, and then talking, this in fact was a debate on international peace and security. Now, do you think now it is time that China's expansionist mentality is exposed? Of course, China has been spending several sums of money on several countries like Africa and countries in Asia as well, and then including them in its debt trap, where these countries feel indebted to China because of the development and infrastructure that it's working on with its BRI projects.
That's a game which China is actually playing, because that is the best weapon that they have. And China, of course, they are striving their best. They are leaving no stone unturned in becoming a superpower very soon by all unethical means possible. And I don't know, how we can actually curb. We can only curb them only through economy, because they have done invisible invasion on various people, on various countries. In fact, the online invasion, which people do not even realize. So now when China actually tries these games by actually making it, I'll give you a small example. If I do a favor to somebody, and that person, and later on I take a wrong step, that person is compelled to actually keep quiet unless that person has a very, very strong moral ground, or to support me, for that matter, because I have done a favor to that person, so that person will feel indebted towards me. So similarly, China is using this as a debt trap for various nations to actually somewhere favor them publicly. But though in the deep down in their hearts, everyone would be knowing that no, China is unethical. India would not resort to any such methods. India believes, like we have also, if you say we have done investments, I'll give you another example, an infrastructure investment in Afghanistan. It was a gift. It was an unconditional gift. It was not, I will not call that investment also. When you give a gift, you give it without any expectations. Unlike not so friendly neighbor China, which only has ulterior motives in their mind.
Right, sir. Thank you for joining us and providing your insight on this story.